Alright, so here's my 1995 Ford Probe GT manual. Been sitting in my garage for, well, been sitting dead since April of 2007, so the better part of 10 years now. I have done a lot of work to get this thing back up and running, so let's see if this thing will fire. Had to re-lube the cylinders, charge the battery, had to do a lot of cleaning of a lot of the terminals that, I mean, the car wouldn't even turn over. Clean throttle body, fix this intake elbow, which is all jacked up, still is jacked up, but I don't want to buy a new one. Anyway, lots of work. I had to drop the gas tank, put in a whole new fuel filter, new fuel pump, clean the terminals. A lot of work. Get the old gas out. Here's the old fuel pump. There, the old fuel pump. Old Walbro for the nitrous days. All right. So I've already put two gallons of gas in it. Oh, I already primed the fuel pump. Pull that. So let's see if this thing will kick over. All right, here we go. Holy shit. Back to life. Oh, baby. Sounds a little rough. Wow. Well, there you go. No check engine lights either. Just an airbag light. I'm not sure why. Whatever. But she's running. Holy shit.